If I got this right, the elves are consuming amber, and Lysrel is turning them into fanatical slaves. Exactly the kind of shitty side effect that I've seen before, and that I'd like to get rid of.
The alliance with the dwarves has allowed Lysrel to obtain the amber that she's using to subdue my people. Breaking that fragile union will free them, and prevent Lysrel from getting her hands on you again.
All right, you got my attention. Keep talking.
The dwarf ambassador is still in Korengar. Let's make it look as though Maolak was his assassin.
I noticed that she carries a very nice dagger on her belt.
The sacred dagger. Perfect. You should find it in her personal quarters.
Once I borrow it, I'll stick it in the dwarf ambassador's back without being seen. What's your role in the story, partner?
My job is to get information about the exact location of the reserves of amber. I still have some contacts in Korengar.
Kakapaka, Mukapupi, whatever. The priestess with the stupid name. She must have gone to the dome. I gotta get hold of her pendant to open the door leading to that dagger. And this is another mission where I can't afford being detected. Did you hear that? I'll never get used to that.
Follow me. I'm returning to my quarters. Soon we leave this disgusting hole. Be ready. Thanks to the powers of these elves, our order will soon regain its former glory.
Well, if it isn't that bastard Aaron. I never got a chance to finish what I started with him. No gratis finally dead, but it still leaves a taste of unfinished business. I'll piss on your grave, and I'll dig you up and kill you again. Then I'll piss on your grave again. After that, I hope never to have to even smell another member of your degenerate family. Then again, they never did anything to me. But that don't matter. Shit, I can't hear a thing. I'll have to get closer without being spotted.
The goblin's escape has stained our right. It is a terrible insult to us all. We have had to terminate the mortal lives of many amongst us.
We bow to your honorable decision, Mother Superior. It is for the common good.
We must pray for all these souls, so that they return purified.
We shall have the honor of escorting you, Priestess Maulak.
These two guards are all over her ass. Well, she's gotta take a piss sometime. I just need to follow them quietly until I can get her alone. That was just harsh.
Your blood will soon run.
A shard of pure quartz. Stealing it won't be simple, and getting out with it even less so. Perfect, because victory without risk is like bread without butter, and I like a little butter.
Disappeared. It was just a shadow.
Take care. Never skin is take care.
It was just a shadow.
Now breaking this would be bad. Sesame, like the man said. Open. Yeah, too easy. This is too easy to be true. I better be ready for some surprises. It's a trap. Pockets in!
But father, that elf insulted us.
That wasn't a good reason to smash his bones.
His death was more merciful than he deserved.
Wow, this guy's all heart. I'd rather kiss a dwarf's ass than hang out with that huge freaking psycho.
Hawkeye, your anger will be our doom.
I just gotta find this dwarf diplomat, get rid of him, and the highlight of the show, make it look like Malak killed him. And all that with no witnesses and without triggering alarms. You got that?
The presence of these drunken dwarfs is unbearable. It's an insult to the harmony of the great.
Seems a shame to try and hide such a lovely smell.
Her Holiness Lisro soon throws them out.
If they don't leave soon, know if blood will flow. There are many Cassids who wish to make them pay for their transgressions.
Target acquired. I'll have to get him alone. I'll never get to him as long as he's flanked by his 2 drunken guards. As an ambassador, he must receive messages every day. There should be a way to slip one in of my own creation that will convince him to come out alone. An indecent proposal he can't refuse. Quartz at a knockdown price, for example. These dwarfs get so bored, he won't be able to pass up on an opportunity to do something fun and get rich. Welcome to the office of Ambassador Nostrilus Maximus. Well, I just gotta drop off my enticing message and wait for the fish to bite.
Was empty. Enough goblins almost as easily as we can now.
There we go. All I need now is for His Excellency El Big Balls to stumble on it. A little green hot sauce is not bad. For me, at least.
Time needed to negotiate worse than crystal.
Why negotiate? We could split their skulls and serve ourselves.
Wait for me downstairs.
If it were up to me, I'd have razed this city with all its inhabitants. These dark elves are devious and nasty. And what's more, they look at us sideways when we take a drink.
Let them dare to try some crooked trick. It'll give us a good excuse to massacre them. I'm in trouble. All that's left to complete my job is to accidentally let Marlak's dagger fall. Oops. The dwarfs will think it's these treacherous dark elves that did it. Well, well, what's this drawing in his pocket? Some kind of machine. Damn, it's written in Dwarvish. Okay, better get out of here. Maybe Jarak will know what it's all about.
The elves have assassinated the ambassador!
So, that's one dead dwarf and a useful war brewing. Coming back to Karangar wasn't such a bad idea after all.